Hello, hi. So this is 102nd video of my communication practice. I was quite excited while recording my 100th video because um, I was very much awaiting for that moment. And yes, I think it was a summarized version of how I was doing and what the video made me like felt after I recorded those videos, and what was the purpose behind this. I believe I have shared the purpose behind videos among many videos while recording all of those until the 100th one, but yeah, it was special to me. I'm trying very hard to look directly into the camera right now, uh, but it's getting difficult because I see in my video that I look around, but directly in the camera. So I'm trying my best. And for the first time today, I'm actually standing while recording this video because I wanted to try that as well. To how do you stand and speak? It's easy to say, but when I am trying that, it's difficult because now my legs really want to sit because it's comfortable. It's comfortable recording videos sitting than standing, because I have to be very conscious and I have to be very alert while recording it because my body is saying that the way you need to sit. So it is getting difficult. But then I'm trying to attempt a new video here. So this particular thought was coming into my mind. From today, that you don't have any control over others, what others do, but you do have control over what you do. This is something that I think I am hearing for a very long time. It's so easy to understand, but then so difficult to process and so difficult to execute, because when it's on you and it's the other person is like someone from your family, it's really hard to uh, look the other way. you just uh, you just see the fault of theirs, that okay, this person is not doing this, okay, my brother is not doing this, my sister is not doing this, my father is not doing that, and I know that they are they I know that it's not right, but then again it's coming into my head and I am getting angry or frustrated or sad about these people, that why are they acting this way, or why are they behaving this way, or why are they not doing they are supposed to do, why are they not keeping their words, the basic thing. So on the other day, my brother used to say that he will do this, he will do that. I'm not saying he doesn't do that, do things, but then it just with younger siblings, you just have to say to them, or maybe tell them that this is something you need to do. Then they will do it. I don't know why is this, but it's with my younger sibling at least. So this is so frustrating for me. And today I was going with this another round of the same thing, and then something happened. So I when I went out for something that he was supposed to do, and I won't go into details much, but then over the scooter I was so mad that, and I realized I was repeating his like mistakes, that he doesn't do that, he doesn't do this, and then there's something that came into my mind, that you need to let go of it, because this is something you can't control. What you can control is your actions. Although I was hearing it and I knew it made sense to me, but still my head was hurting too much, too much. But then I realized that okay, let it be, because when as soon as these type of feelings come, when you're realizing something and this is something that you cannot control over something, there is this feeling called where my eyes get watery. I feel emotional about it, and then this time around I said that to myself, and I sit with it over the scooter, and I said okay, let it be, let it be. Even if you want to cry, let it be, but then don't uh, don't go this into your head, and try to not attached with it, try not to get emotional about it, because this is something you don't have any control over. This is some other person, you are some other person. You have your actions that you can control and nothing else. I know it's difficult, I know I'm realizing it, I know I have done it, so much, but it's difficult with family and with the closest person, closest people you live with, than with when the strangers or friends or other people whom you don't share your day-to-day life with. So it is difficult, and I'm not saying that this won't be happening to me again, but then today was I think one of those days that I'm trying to calm myself down, trying to remind myself that okay, Divya, this is something that you don't have any control over, you cannot do anything about it, and you should not be mad about it, because you need to be in connection with yourself to get yourself calm. And that's why you will do things that you are supposed to do, at least. So I think this is what I wanted to share. And today this is very conscious choice of recording this video by standing and by looking at the mirror and speaking slowly. And I had a topic in my mind because it was something that was coming into my head from past 1 hour, so I wanted to share it with you. So this type of content, I think I will be speaking about more and more. I am speaking about this type, but I think today I did better. I think, I'm not sure. I'll look into it after I record this video, and then I'll post it. What do you think? What do you think about this video? Okay, bye. Let me know. Let me know, and let me know if you could connect with it. I know many of you would be connecting with it, because this is something we all suffer, we all goes through, actually. Yeah. So yeah, I hope I have looked into the camera so much. And then see you in the next video. Bye.